All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start by making some coffee. My battery is dying already, so let me go put my other one on the charger. Hold on, you guys, because I need a full battery. Okay, period. So you're gonna pour it over top, and it's gonna look like this. All right, you guys, I'm back. So I told you guys in my last video to go follow my sister at Shelly Shells. I put her Instagram on the screen. I lost this footage, so I'm showing her again so you guys know what she looks like. Here she is.
Stop doing
This is the sister that I told you guys about. She's on her weight loss journey, and I tried to basically get a job with her because she has like a lot of followers, you guys. She be trying to act like she don't have a lot of followers, but she has a lot of followers. And yeah, y'all, she's like the starter person who I thought I could get a job with. But anyways, like I was telling you guys, she calling me talking about I need to act like I need a job. Girl, you didn't. Girl, I asked you for a job. You didn't offer me a job. Okay. I'm the queen who basically, if y'all don't know, Ashurion fired me. They told me I couldn't come back, man. So I'm the girl who's trying to get a job for Sunday. I'm available Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays now, baby. Okay? And she over here talking about she don't need nobody to do that for her. Girl, bye. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. All right, you guys, so I take that back. My sister actually had to call me back. So what I'm going to do is start cleaning up because my room, y'all, when I tell y'all, I don't even know how it got bad like this. Like, let me show you guys again. And let me turn on the light in here because it's like kind of dark. You guys can't really see anything. My coffee is here. I'm gonna open my window up. I'm gonna show you guys because it's just a mess, you guys. Like, how? Okay. So I bought this mirror at Walmart. There's Angel Soft here and under my bed. We have all these clean clothes that I have to fold. You guys, my bra. I just have so much stuff. It's just ridiculous. Also, you guys, in my last video, I moved my clothing rack from over there to over here. And if you guys don't notice, I moved my bed. My bed used to be like this long way, but now I moved it that way and I put my nightstand over there. I'm gonna take this coffee back into the kitchen because I'm actually done with it. You guys see? And I already feel like energized and stuff with it. My cat is literally sitting here waiting for me to come out of my room.
Yeah.
My mom's on the phone.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
So I'm back on camera and you guys are probably like, oh, she said she was gonna come back and clean for us and stuff like that. But you guys, I'm just not feeling the best today. Like, my day started off really good and now it's kind of becoming crappy and I kind of just want to go to sleep. It's only, my nose is still stuffy, sorry guys. It's only 6:33 and I just feel like a lot of stuff is happening to me that I just don't understand. And I'm really sad about it. Like I told you guys, I feel like I'm having a hard time with life. I always have felt that way. And I just feel like life isn't going in my favor. And I feel bad about it. I just feel bad about it. I feel like stuff isn't working out how I planned it. And I'm just upset at myself because I feel like sometimes I like when something's going good for me, I kind of self-sabotage it. And I make it kind of bad for me. And I always talk myself out of a lot of things that could be different, but they're not. And I don't know, you guys. I really wish I could make things better. And I just don't understand, like, I'm really trying to, like, focus on myself and, like, do good for me, but it's hard to do that. It's hard to do that. So as you guys see, I've been trying to stay, like, consistent and stuff and put out videos. Just trying to, like, put out content because I do want my YouTube channel to grow, and it is growing. And I'm already talking about going to sleep. It's only 6:35. But yeah, you guys, I'm not really feeling the best today, and I rather just I don't really want to bring, like, I want to be I know it's like, it's understandable, like, you're not going to be happy every single day, like, I get that, but like, I was going to do my makeup and stuff, but I kind of want to do that, excuse me, I want to do that stuff when I'm feeling a bit better. And right now I'm not feeling the best. I feel alone, and I don't really have anybody to talk to. I was talking to one of my friends about how I feel like everybody just has their person, and I don't have that. I don't have a person that I can just call and talk to, like a person that's just like, I don't know. I feel like people sometimes, they don't listen to me because I have this thing where I just start rambling with my mind because I bottle so much stuff up, and when I finally get to talk about it, I feel like people don't listen because I say so much at one time. But it's hard for me not to do that because I keep so much stuff just like in my mind, in my brain, and when I finally get, like, I get comfortable with somebody and I just start talking, like my brain just starts talking, and they're just looking at me like, this girl is crazy. But it's not even that I'm crazy, it's just I've had that stuff in my mind for so long, and I'm finally letting it out, and the person doesn't even listen to me, and it's just like, what the heck. So yeah, y'all, this is just, I guess this is one of those moments where I'm kind of just like, I don't have nobody to talk to, so I started my camera. I don't even know if I'll put this in there. I don't know, y'all, but yeah, I'm just not feeling the best right now. It's like I have a lot of emotions going on and a lot of stuff in my mind. So I kind of just want to go to sleep, and I guess I'll just restart the video tomorrow. My room is still not clean, you guys. Like, it's still dirty. I cleaned up some, like, you can see the floor a bit, but there's still clothes all on my bed and at the end of my bed and stuff. So I guess tomorrow you guys will end up seeing this vlog. But right now I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm just, like I said, I'm not feeling the best, and I guess tomorrow I will clean up. you guys. So I am finally done cleaning my room, you guys. I am so proud of myself that I got up and cleaned my room today. Y'all probably is like, it still looks kind of junky. This is just how I clean my room. So it looks a lot better than before. So let me show you guys. So we have my mirror again. My bed. I kept the toilet paper under there. I like the location. I made my bed. I kind of like tidied up my nightstand. This is all stuff that I need, you guys, but I tried to make it as neat as possible. That's all like my headbands and stuff. My trash needs to be taken out. I vacuumed my floor, period. I need to give those shoes. I know what I'm doing with them. My clothing rack, if you guys don't know, I did move my clothing rack from over there back to over here because I wanted my fan back to where it was. I tidied up my desk, and that's on period. Okay, I need to wash all of my lashes, you guys. I have so many lashes, and I need to clean them. But I tidied up my desk, made it look as neat as possible. You guys also saw me tidy up the bins down here. I kind of just reorganized them and put everything where it needs to go. Wipe down my TV, wipe down this. I need to do my laundry, and then I put all of my clothes and shoes and everything back in their drawers, as well as over here. So yeah, you guys, and then this is just like my miscellaneous shelf. I have so much stuff over there, you guys, but yeah, my room is pretty much clean. I feel better because it looks better in here. I can see the floor. I can walk around, and everything doesn't feel junky. I folded all of my clothes, so all of my clothes are off my bed, but now I need to do laundry, you guys. So I'm gonna have to fold out like so many other clothes. Like, I have so many clothes, you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna end off the vlog here because you guys saw last night I wasn't feeling the best, but I'm feeling a lot better today. I'm about to get in the shower and actually film another video. Or I might just get in the shower because I'm really tired. I might just get in the shower and go to bed. I'm planning on doing like a face mask tonight and doing my nails and stuff because I'm so tired, you guys. Like, I've literally been so tired like these whole days, and just cleaning up has literally made me out of breath. But stay tuned for the next video because I have a good idea for the next video that I kind of want to do. It's kind of like a get ready with me type thing. So stay tuned if you guys would like to see that. But without further ado, I will talk to you guys next time. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I want to grow my channel. So if you guys could please hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. But without further ado, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.